In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to increase your download speed in Microsoft Edge browser. So the first step that you have to do is to type this in, which is the Edge flags. Then hit the enter button. Here you will enter the experiment interface. So how to increase the download speed? You just need to type in the parallel downloading in the search bar. And you will see here that I have not yet enabled parallel downloading. So just simply click the enable here. And then click the restart button. And as you can see, we have completed enabling parallel downloading. So the next step is to click this three-dotted icon here and then click the settings. Here you have to navigate to system and performance. And then click this or toggle this switch for continue running background extensions and apps when Microsoft Edge is closed. So turn it off. And that's it. That's how you can speed up the download speed in your Microsoft Edge browser, and thank you for listening.